Hello dears! Today we'll be making a delicious caramel biscuit cake. First of all, we'll blend the digestive biscuits and then we'll add the dates and mix it well. I'll use Thermomix to melt the butter, but you can also use a saucepan. After this, we will add the biscuits and dates and we will blend until all are well combined. The composition needs to be pressed very well into the cake mold. For the caramel filling, we'll need simple vegan cream cheese, 20 grams of cocoa butter, that it will help to harden the filling. We will also need the solid part from a coconut milk can, coconut sugar for the caramel taste, vanilla essence, and the peanut butter from Unison Goodies. We will keep the cake mold in the freezer for at least 1 hour. Then we can add the biscuit spread. You should put the cake in the freezer for at least 4 hours. Decorate it and then it will be ready to be served. Delicious! Enjoy!